My name is Blake Lawrence, chef here at Pastaria in Asheville, and today we're going to be talking about the Cacio e Pepe. Cacio e Pepe is and will probably be one of Italy's most famous pasta dishes for now, the last decade, and into the future. Solely based on touch, texture, and the simplicity of the dish. It really all starts with a really great pasta. We use a canestro noodle here at Pastaria in Asheville, a larger style, kind of basket-shaped noodle. The shape of it and the ridges on the outside really capture a lot of the sauce essence that is there, and that is really what you're getting in that dish. The dish itself is, as it sounds, Cacio e Pepe, translating to cheese and pepper. Get some really great fresh cracked pepper and a lot of pecorino romano cheese. We also add a little bit of our grana padano cheese to give it a little bit of a tang, kind of similar to Parmesan. Hope to see you guys soon down here at Pastaria in Asheville.